All right, RTI is installed. We've installed the John plugins so that now John can see RTI and is collecting the metric data. Now we're going to install the RTI console, which will allow us to control RTI and also give us access to the profile and deep dive trace data available in RTI. I've downloaded the RTI Mac console tar file to my laptop where I want to install it. To do that, I need to first double click on the archive to expand it. That will create this folder. That's really all I have to do to install the RTI console. If I explore that folder, the console application is this app right here, and I can double click to start it. It may be useful to create an alias for that you could leave on your desktop, and you probably want to go ahead and rename that like I do. There, so now I can use that to double click and start the analyzer when I need to. I also can add it to my dock if I want. Okay, we've got the RTI console installed on our desktop. Now we need to connect it to the John server to give us access to the hosts and the RTI performance data. I've launched the RTI console here on my desktop. Now I want to connect to my John server to find my hosts, to work with them. What I do is provide my credentials. I'm running through a tunnel here from my laptop, so I use localhost there. I provide my credentials, and I'll test the connection first to make sure I connect. Now if I choose next, I get a view of what platforms are available from the John server. I've installed RTI and NGI1, so that's the one I want to import here into the console. And what we're doing is querying the John server for some information about the console. And after a while I have this connected here. We'll go get some more information to buffer it up. Now I can expand this and see that I have a couple choices here. Here's the RTI installation. In fact, there's the JBoss collector that we saw in John. If I continue to expand, I'll see all the transactions that RTI discovered there. And I also have available to me the other resources stored on the John server. Now you're really ready to start doing analysis with the RTI console. That's covered in a different video. All right, that was a quick overview of an installation in a Linux and John environment. There's more information at rtiperformance.com. There's more documentation there as well, where you can find a quick start guide to walk you through this, or the user's guide, which has even more detailed information about installation. And finally, you can send questions to RTI support.